Hi, this question appeared in JEE Advanced 2015 in its first paper. Basically, it is an integer type question and it is from the topic Maxima and Minima. So let us go ahead and solve this question. But before we do that, I would strongly recommend each one of you to pause this video at this moment and give this question a try. Okay. A cylindrical container has to be made from a certain solid material with the following constraints. It has a fixed inner volume of V mm cube. Inner volume is given, that is V mm cube, and this is fixed. V is a constant. Okay, and it has a 2 meter thick solid wall. I made the diagram here. So this is the inner volume, all right, and this is the thickness of the outer wall, 2 mm, and is open at the top, and there is nothing at the top, so it is open. The bottom of the container is a solid circular disc of thickness. So this blue one is the disc. So this part, this is the disc. So it has a thickness of 2 mm, all right, and is of radius equal to the outer radius. So if we consider this is the center of the cylinder, this is inner radius. Let us consider this inner radius as r, and the outer radius will be this thing, which is r plus 2. So the outer radius of this disc, the radius of this disc is the outer radius of the cylinder. So this is r plus 2. All right. If the volume of the material used to make the container is minimum, so let the volume of the container be V. V is minimum when inner radius, that is r, is 10 mm. So this is the condition they have given us. So let us go ahead and find out what is the volume of the container. Volume of the container will be, so first we have to find the volume of this bottom disc, right? This disc is just like a cylinder, so the volume will be pi r square h, but the radius here is r plus 2 whole square, and the height is 2 mm, plus the volume of the container will be volume of this bottom disc plus the volume of this wall, because inside it is empty. So the volume of the wall, solid wall. So this wall is made up of, like, so there is one cylinder inside like this, and there is one more cylinder outside, and this is the wall. So the volume of the wall will be volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. All right. So what is the volume of outer cylinder? Pi, the radius of outer cylinder is r plus 2 whole square, and h, let this be h, minus the volume of inner cylinder, pi r square h. All right. So this is the volume of the container. So now this is pi into r plus 2 whole square times 2 plus h, minus this is inner volume, the volume of inner cylinder, which is pi r square h, and it is given in the question V. So let us replace this with V, and it is given that this V is minimum when r is 10 mm, right? So we can make one more manipulation here, r plus 2 whole square into 2 plus, from this h can be written as V by pi r square minus V. All right. So this V is minimum when r is 10 millimeter. So we have to find out dV by, we have to find out dV by dr, and that should be 0. To find the minimum we have to do this. So let us find out dV by dr. So we can apply product rule here. So pi into r plus 2 whole square, let us keep that as it is, and let us differentiate this part. So 2 plus, so differentiation of 2 is 0, plus V by pi into differentiation of r square is minus 2 upon r cube. All right, plus, now let us keep that bracket as it is, 2 by pi r square. And now we have to differentiate this r plus 2 whole square. It will be pi into 2 into r plus 2. So this should be equal to 0. Alright. So we can cancel out pi. I mean, we can take the pi to that side and it will become 0. And r cannot be a negative value. So we can cancel out r plus 2 as well. Alright. So this will be minus 2v by pi into r plus 2 by r cube plus 4 plus 2v by pi r square. This is equals to 0. Understood? And now let us take LCM. Pi r cube will be the LCM. So minus 2v r plus 2 plus 4 pi r cube plus 2v r is equals to 0. All right. So it is given in the question that when r is equal to 10 mm, this is minimum. So r is equal to 10 will be the root of this equation. So let us substitute r is equal to 2. So that will give us minus 24v plus 4 pi times 1000 plus 2v times 10 is equals to 0. So this is 20v, this is minus 4v. So therefore 4v is equal to 4 pi times 1000. So v is equal to 1000 pi. V is 1000 pi when r is 10 mm. Alright. So now we have to find out v only. So what is asked in the question? V by 250 pi. V by 250 pi. So that will be 4. So this is the answer. If you like the video, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such content. And if you have any queries, write it up in the comment section. Thank you.